Today we're testing out these all-day kit ND filters from Freewell, and what better spot to go than where I did the cinematic to see how much it improves the video footage of the Autel EVO. What's up everybody, welcome back to Phones, Drones, and Tech. I'm Original Dobo, and if you are new here, consider hitting that subscribe button at the end of this video. Harry over at Freewell Gear sent me out some filters to test for the EVO, and right now I have the Polarizer ND16 filter. I think the ND16 is going to be good for this time of day. Now this kit comes with 8 filters in total, so you have everything to shoot at any point of day. Build quality of these filters are really nice. You can adjust the lens even when it's on there so you can get it nice and situated. The glass looks nice. It's not really too heavy. And the polarizer should help out here by the water. That's why I wanted to come out here and test. So let's go ahead and try to do the same route that we took when we did that cinematic untouched to see if this makes a difference. So there you go. That's the ND filters from Freewell Gear. This is the all-day kit, so you get 8 filters. There's polarizer filters, there's regular filters. You can fly basically anywhere at any time, any condition. And I think they're really worth it, especially if you want to get like super cinematic footage. Me being in Florida, it's the sunshine state. I absolutely need these. These are like essential. If you're a photographer, this can also help reduce some of the glare and also give you a little bit more contrast to your photos, especially for people who don't like to do color correction or editing. I think this works really well. I'm overall very happy with these filters, and I will definitely be keeping them. A couple of times I went full thrust and the gimbal was pitched straight up. It didn't have any degrees to it, and I got no props in the shot. ND filters will help you with that as long as your shutter speeds are kept correctly. Carolina Drones would be the best place to pick these up, I would think. They do have them in stock and they have a great relationship with Freewell. And you know, if you're unsure of this, you can give them a call and talk to them. Amazon does have them, but with Amazon it's just sort of click order. You don't really get any help with what you buy. But I'll put those 2 links in the description below in case you want to buy from either one of those. But anyways, that's going to do it for this video. The ND filters sooner. This is an absolute must. I'll catch you next time. See ya. Stay original.